just as we placed Tintin, Tinny the Uncle Poacher, Sherlock Holmes on the list of world-famous characters, Mr. Bean is another exemplary fictional character of the world. Mr. Bean is a British sitcom created by Rowan Atkinson and Richard Curtis. Atkinson, Curtis, Robin Driscoll, and Ben Elton were the co-writers. The series was produced by Tiger Aspect Productions, and Rowan Atkinson was playing the title character. The series started as pilot on 1st January 1990, broadcasting on ITV.
Done your revision?
Oh, yes. I've concentrated on trigonometry.
I've done calculus mainly.
I believe they concentrated on calculus last year.
Oh. Oh, dear.
Mr. Bean was a character developed by Atkinson, who was studying his master's degree at the Oxford University. Atkinson described Bean as a child in a grown man's body. In the early 1980s, a sketch featuring Bean was shown at the Edinburgh Fringe Festival. The character's name was undecided until after the first episode had been produced. At the primary stage, the name chosen by all was Mr. Cauliflower. Mr. Bean is the childish person, lives at flat number 2, 12 Arbor Road, Highbury. On his passport, his first name was shown as Mr. and his profession was that he was employed as a guard at London's National Gallery. In the title scene of episode 2, Bean falls from the sky in a beam of light. The sequence was accompanied by a choir singing a song, which was sung by the Southwark Cathedral Choir in 1990. Later, the sequence plan was changed. There was showed that Mr. Bean is being dropped from the night sky in a deserted London street against the backdrop of St. Paul's Cathedral. In the episode, Mr. Bean Goes to Town, Matilda Ziegler appears as Irma Gobb, the girlfriend of Mr. Bean. In the comic relief Torvill and Bean, Mr. Bean was accompanied by a female partner acted by Sophie Thompson. Then comes Teddy. Teddy is a doll. He is the best friend of Mr. Bean. Bean often pretends that it is alive, Bean used Teddy as a pet in an episode to win a pet show.
No.
After the ending of filming, Atkinson donated Teddy to Giles Brandrett's Teddy Bear Museum. In 2008, when the museum closed, Teddy was sold at auction for £180. Mr. Bean used to ride British Leyland Mini 1000 Mark IV as his vehicle. In the pilot episode, the car was orange in color. In Back to School Mr. Bean, his Mini was crushed by a tank as a part of a demonstration. Although he repairs it with the same colors and characters. The registration number was SLW287R. To promote Mr. Bean the animated series, a replica of the Mini was used. This Mini is on display at the National Motor Museum. The Mini reappeared in Mr. Bean the animated series. In Mr. Bean series, there is a 3-wheeled Reliant Regal Supervan 3 with an unseen driver. The car appears again in the animated series. In 1995, the 14th episode, Here by Mr. Bean of London, was originally released as a direct-to-video VHS exclusive and was not broadcast on television until 25th August 2006 on Nickelodeon. The series was aired on ITV in UK. Due to the widespread popularity of Mr. Bean, the series started to broadcast in many other countries. The first episode of Mr. Bean won the Golden Rose. The Curse of Mr. Bean was nominated for a number of BAFTA awards. In February 2001, the official announcement of Mr. Bean the animated series was done.
Oh. Oh.
What do you think you're doing? Sneaking up on my wife? You some kind of weirdo? No, no, you don't. You get off my legs. Take your camera with you. Get out of it. Right, lean right down in. Pull. Lean out, darling. Pull.
The series made its first appearance on 5th January 2002. Each episode was consisting of 11 minutes. In January 2014, CITV announced a revival of the series with the voice of Rowan Atkinson as Mr. Bean. In 1997, a movie named Bean was made based on Mr. Bean series. The film was directed by Mel Smith. The film stars Rowan Atkinson as Mr. Bean.
Where's the picture gone? What?
Oh, Jesus, God, oh, Mary, Mother of Jesus, Jesus of Nazareth. Calm down. I just gotta calm down. Okay. Give me one more look at the painting.
The film earned $250 million worldwide against an $18 million budget. After this great success, a sequel was made again in 2007. It was named Mr. Bean's Holiday. The film was directed by Steve Bendelak. In UK, the movie released on 30th March 2007. The film grossed $232.2 million worldwide against $25 million budget. Mr. Bean's Holiday was originally the last live appearance of the character. It was before appearing at the opening ceremony of 2012 London Olympics.